Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji from the video clip on a CapCut application. So the first thing that you have to do is open your CapCut application and open the project that containing the emoji on it. So for example, here I already have the project and you can see that on my whole video there is one emoji here, and if you can see also there is no emoji sections. Even when I click the emoji part, there is no actions pop up for the next step to do. So to remove this emoji, it's quite simple. We need to activate the section of the emoji first. To activate it, you just need to visit the text, because the emoji section will be included into the text section. And after you activate this emoji section, now you have an access to do for the next actions over this emoji. If you want to remove it, go click the emoji. You can just do by click this X button or click this delete, and your emoji will be removed from your video clip. So that's the way how to remove emoji from video clip. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.